What's up guys, Gaming Tactics here today, and today we'll be showing you guys how to make your YouTube videos become better, and in general how to make your PC function better and function the way you want it to function. So let's get straight into it. So first and foremost, as you guys can see, these are all of my files and stuff like that, right? So if you right click on your mouse, you get a couple of different options. View is the one you want to go to. You can change the size of your icons. That's really not needed. Recommended is medium unless you have a lot of files and small. Large is not too good. Show desktop icons. This will help you a lot if you're making videos like me, tips and tricks videos. So click this. Everything is gone and you have just your background. It's a clear way to make good videos, not distract people looking over here, looking over there. So there's another couple things I want to show you guys. If you guys have an HP computer, I have an HP monitor basically, and a HP computer. You can go to display control and you can switch to HDMI input. A lot of people, and by a lot I mean a lot, including me, do not know how to do this, but I found out on YouTube, and that video only had 10 views, so I want to emphasize this more. If you want to switch your HDMI output, you have to right click and you have to find the display control. It might say Dell or something, and it might like display settings. You can just go into your settings, search up settings in the settings bar, click settings, and then if you go to the system display, you can change everything here. So another thing I want to show you guys is you guys should go here, search bar, search up control panel. And if you guys want to make your PC run the best, your videos run the best, everything just run tip top, all you guys want to do is you want to go to, it's right now if you're in control panel, this is just a little bit of the main stuff. You want to click this arrow over here. You want to go to all control panel items, unless there's specific things you want to work on. This is what I use just to edit everything, just look at everything. But if there's specific things that you want to change, you can do it here. So if you click all control panel items, I'm just going to full screen this here for you guys. It shows you all your items as this is explained. So administrator tools, nothing here. Autoplay, no. This is only for my HP computer. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about any of this stuff. I'll tell you about the main ones. Date and time. Device manager, devices and printers. Flash player, that's a big one. You need that. You really do. If you're going to play some different type of files, a variety of them. Internet options, yeah. Keyboard, mouse, you could already do that. I have a Razer keyboard, so you should have specific. I have a Razer Synosa Chroma. You should have specific apps for it. I also have an app. I don't know where it's gone. I have a Logitech mouse, and I have an app for that. Logitech options. I have a couple apps for my mouse. What else here? Phone. You can connect your phone if you wanna write. Some things like in Google, you can right click and you can press send to iPhone. I have an iPhone, so you can right click on some things, and sometimes it will give you the option to send to your phone. Power options, this can optimize your battery. I have a plug-in computer. I don't have a laptop. It's not batteries. So most of you will have it somewhere down here. If you're on laptop, you have some power options. Programming features, this one's small. Yeah. Sound, a big one. Storage, a big one. System, a big one. Taskbar navigation, you can change this. Even you can pull this up if you guys didn't know. But there's really no point in doing that unless you have a lot of stuff down there. So yeah. So let me go through the main things for you guys. So date and time, simple. You can change your date and time. Default programs, if you click on this, you can set your default programs and a bunch of stuff like that. It also gives autoplay features too here. Now, if you guys go to device manager, yeah, simple. Device and printers, you guys probably all know. Flash player, you guys probably all know what that is. Just plays your files, different types. internet options, keyboard, mouse. As I said, these should have their respective apps. Sound. So here, if you have a different, so right now I have a speaker that's built into my monitor. It's a really nice one. That's what this BNO Play Audio controller is for, by the way, because I have an HP. So yeah, you can change your default devices here, everything like that. Recording, see, you guys see my microphone going up and down. You can change stuff if you have a if you wanna have a voice modifier. Simply go to Google. The one that I use sometimes is Voice Mod. Voice Mod's a good one. Free real-time voice changer. Changes in Discord, Fortnite, everything. Yeah, quick shout out to them. Sounds, you could change like all your default sounds, like if you click something, the Windows startup sound, all that good stuff. Communication, yeah, simple like that. You can mute all other sounds, background sounds, reduce the volume by 80, 50, do nothing. I personally have it at 80%. I did not change that. It was automatically set like that, but it seems to be working out fine. So I'm going to close that. Storage spaces. You can see your storage. You can create a new pool and storage space. I do not know what that is. I'm not going to dive into that today. That might be another video. System. You guys just know what your system is. Okay. And taskbar navigation, change this bottom thing. This takes you to the settings. You can lock it. All this good stuff here, guys. User accounts, you can have different accounts and stuff like that if you want. If you're using a school computer, this is where they add a domain. So that's if you're trying to set up a school. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Another big place you can find all stuff to change is settings, obviously. This is for Windows 10 PCs, by the way. So system, display, sound, notification, power, devices, Bluetooth, printer, mouse, phone, link your Android, iPhone. That's what I did. Network and internet, yeah. Personalization, apps, accounts, time, language, gaming, game bar. That was one of my previous videos, my second video, I'm pretty sure. Ease of access, search, Cortana, privacy, update, and security. So that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like and subscribe if you enjoyed.